Hey everybody, I hope your interview went well. If you haven't started your interview yet, just remember to stay calm and talk clearly. Today you're going to learn how to do deposit tickets, but with one extra thing when you ask for something called cash back. And this time we're going to actually use this line and this line. So it'll be a little bit different, so pay close attention. So first just go ahead and write your name at the top just like we always do, and just like so, and then write today's date, which is interview day, which is 9/30/2014. And then we're going to deposit $784, which is the amount that a lot of you are getting paid at BizTown, and we're only depositing one check, so our subtotal is also going to be $784. Now we haven't used this line yet, and then how we're going to use that line excuse me, thank you, is that's what's called cash back. For example, let's say you go to the bank, but you don't want to put all the money in your paycheck in the bank. You want to take some of this $784 and you want to get some cash for it. Because some businesses only take cash in real life and also at BizTown. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend to ask for $2 cash back. Okay, and then so our net deposit. I want you to think about that for a second, what the net deposit would be. That is correct. It is $584. Because you subtract the money that from your subtotal because you took out $2. Go ahead and give yourself one big clap if you got it, but not quite so loud. Since we asked for cash back, we're also going to go over here where it says signature required for cash received. So because we got cash back, we're going to go ahead and sign our name here. Just like so. That's it. Okay, you should have done this on page 83. And now I want you to turn to page 77 on a new page on the balance. And we're going to fill out that balance sheet according to this deposit ticket. Okay, class, so this is our deposit, where we're going to keep track of our deposits and our payments. So we'll just go ahead and write the date here. And our transaction was a deposit, so we can write a deposit on this line. And we deposited how much? We got to look back at our deposit ticket. Was it $784 or $584? Think about that for a second. How much are we actually putting into our account? That is correct. It is $584. Give yourself some snaps. The reason it's $584 instead of $784 is because we didn't put in all $784. We got $2 cash back. So our starting balance was 0. So our first check, $584. So we add, and then our new balance, of course, is $584. Okay, so now we're ready to go spend some money. So let's practice doing that again really quick. So let's turn to a page where you got a blank check. Okay, so let's go ahead and write your name on the top. Make sure you print and that you're not signing your name. We're going to pretend that we are buying something from State Farm Insurance. And so we write State Farm on the line that says pay to the order. And then on this line, we're going to buy something that costs $3.50. So we'll put $3. And then we put N for a decimal point, and then 50 over 100, and then a line. On memo, we write we're going to buy some insurance, and then we sign our name here, and then I'm still forgetting two things. I'm forgetting the date up here, 9/30/2014, and then I also got to write it in the box. So now once we do that, we have to record our balance. If you got this much done, why don't you stand up? Okay, go ahead and sit down. Now go back to the balance sheet. Okay, so once we're always going to write on the white lines here, so it's nice and neat, 9/30, and we went to State Farm, and we spent money, so we're going to record it under payment, and we spent $3.50, And then since we spent money, we're going to subtract from our balance. And then we're left with 4,3,234 is our new balance. We can go ahead and circle that. And that's it. So the only difference that we're adding here is when we deposited. To remember, when you ask for cash back, that you deposit the net deposit, not the whole check, because you asked for $2 cash back. And that when you're filling out the deposit form, you sign it. So go ahead and let's see what I want you to do. I want you to give yourself 2 big pats on the back for doing a great job on this. And then you're going to go to Edmodo, and you're going to see the problem that you have for today. And you're going to do that, and then once you get started, you're going to be able to go to one or both of the businesses that I've set up in the classroom and spend some of the money that I will give you for being such amazing students. Okay, good luck.